Hello everyone, so this is another video in continuation of the tricks or the mnemonics important for every government exam. So already I have given you the trick for Mediterranean Sea, the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea and also the Black Sea. So this is another video in continuation. So this is basically on the Caspian Sea, the countries which are actually surrounding the Caspian Sea. So moving directly to the trick part. So the trick for actually remembering the countries which are bordering the Caspian Sea is basically Tariq. So this you can remember all the countries, that is 5 countries. So T say it's Turkmenistan, and A stands for Azerbaijan, then R, that is Russia, I say it's basically Iran, and K stands for Kazakhstan. So this is the main trick for remembering the countries which are bordering the Caspian Sea. Before ending, this is the short announcement regarding the free courses, important courses for an academy. If you are appearing next year, you can use my code also, that is Tripti 10, and this is a 3-month extension also. And these are the UPSC civil services batches which are actually beginning from today, and these are the bilingual batches, and also it's available in Hindi, whichever medium language you have. So if you are preparing for next year, targeting for next year, so this will cover the whole GS syllabus. And also this is the Unacademy Lite, that is Prelims and CSAT test series. So this will include 28 tests, and this will include 56 tests bifurcated into 40 GS and 16 CSAT. Similarly, this is also bifurcated into 20 GS and 8 CSAT test series. And also these are the optional courses which have already begun, and this is like in different medium of language, that is in English also, Hindi also, like PSIR is in English, PABAD is in Hindi. So you can choose accordingly. And also this is a free and comprehensive interview guidance program, and training will be provided by the experts, DAF analysis, which is free for all the eligible aspirants, flexible schedule, and also there will be a experienced mock panel also, and also you will be given the previous year transcript. So this is the experience panel of the mentor, and this is the Unacademy store which is open now in New Delhi, that is in Old Rajendra Nagar. Thank you so much.